Hello, the Tidy Terrain robot is the main character for this video. It is part of a robot system designed to clean parking lots and frontages. However, the Tidy Terrain cannot initialize without the CleanGuard Bot, a critical member of the supporting cast that communicates signals to the bot system, also known as the Spotless Sentinel Project. The specific rules of the Tidy Terrain are obstacle detection, edge detection, movement control, arm control, communication handling, and user interaction. In short, the robot patrols the perimeter, the curbs of parking lots, and has a robotic arm with a vacuum attached that vacuums up small debris, dust, small particles, etc. So I'll give you a quick overview of the components with the notes and functionality of each inside the schematic that you see here. Arduino 1 is the central microcontroller for the Tidy Terrain that coordinates and controls all the components and its interactions. Arduino 2 is the central microcontroller for the CleanGuard Bot and is present for the simulation to represent the interaction between the Tidy Terrain and the CleanGuard. The simulation runs pretty quickly, so I'll start it and then pause so you can see the initializing output, take a look at the code, and then I'll restart and incorporate the manual interactions so that you can see the results of stopping, starting, hazard notification, and continuing. So I'm opening the code here. It slightly overlaps the 9-volt battery for Arduino 2. And you can see the code here for Arduino 1. If I go to the drop-down, I can also look at the code for Arduino 2. So I'm clearing the serial monitor right now. I'll begin the simulation, and as soon as you see the moving forward, I'll stop the simulation, scroll up in the serial monitor so you can see that review part. Okay, so I'm starting now. Tidy Terrain robot is initialized from the CleanGuard. I'll stop that simulation and just scroll back up. That moves so quickly. So you can see that the bot will stop. It stops the arm. It moves around. When there is large debris detected, it signals the CleanGuard Bot and says, hey, I need the trash titan to come over because there's debris that's too large for me to pick up. And as soon as trash titan clears, the Tidy Terrain can move forward once again. So I'm going to clear the serial monitor and restart the simulation so you can see the full initialization, and then I will manually type in some controls to stop the robot. And in the serial monitor, you see that the robot has stopped. I can start the bot back up again. And again, it moves forward. If I type in that there is a hazard detected, then the serial monitor reflects that human intervention is required, and the human must address the hazard and then type continue in order for the bot to proceed. And once you see moving forward again, if you scan to the left where the DC motors are for the tank treads, you can see those motors moving forward. Okay? And I will scan through the code. All right, there's also code for Arduino 2, much shorter. And you can see that the robot has initialized there. Okay, thank you.